National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Berks and Chester. Effective until 6:33 p.m. the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County, in eastern Pennsylvania, Chester County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sunnyburn, or 10 miles southeast of Red Lion, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicator. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Reading, West Chester, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Coatesville, Westtown, Wyomissing, Downingtown, Kennett Square, Birdsboro, Oxford, Sinking Spring, Floridale, Parksburg, West Grove, Wintersville, Honeybrook, Elverson, New Morgan, and Glenroy. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296-324, Interstate 176 Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northern Delaware and eastern and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northern Delaware and eastern and southeastern Pennsylvania.